Hi, I'm Donna Wolf from Nastasia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet this puff flower. You'll need small amounts of yarn and an H hook. To begin, make a magic ring, which is just a loose slip knot, where you crochet over the ends. Chain 1. Make 8 single crochet stitches in this ring. By the way, be sure to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Once completed, pull on the starting tail end to close the ring. Slip stitch to close the ring. For round 2, we'll begin with a chain 5. And then slip stitch into the single crochet next to it. Chain 5 again. And slip stitch into the next single crochet. Chain 5 once again. And slip stitch into the next single crochet. Continue this pattern around the ring for all 8 single crochet stitches. You should have 8 rings once completed. It helps to count them before moving on. For round 3, chain 1. We're going to do a single crochet next, but we'll work from behind like this. And then chain 2. Do another single crochet, working behind the next set of loop chains. And chain 2. Continue around using this pattern. After you make your last chain 2, just slip stitch to the first single crochet. As before, turn the flower over and count the number of loops or rings. There should be 8 of them. For round 4, begin with a chain 1. In each of the chain loops we made in the previous round, we're going to make the following pattern: 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet, all in that loop. And I'll show this again. In the next loop, make a single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet. You'll continue with this pattern around for all 8 loops of the previous round. At the end, just slip stitch to the first stitch. For the last round, we're going to do some unique stitches. I like to call it a puff stitch. However, it's not a standard one. To begin, chain 2. Start with the yarn over and insert into the ring. Draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert into ring, and draw up a loop. Yarn over and remove all the loops. We'll do this a second time. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, insert, yarn over, and remove all loops. We'll do this one last time. And remove the loops. You can see the 3 stitches. Take out your hook and insert it into the first stitch. Grab the loop and pull it through. Then chain 2. Slip stitch to the adjacent single crochet stitch. We'll do this all again in the next chain loop. Chain 2. Begin the puff stitch. First stitch, second stitch, third stitch. Remove your hook, pull through the loops, chain 2, and make a slip stitch into the adjacent single crochet. Continue doing this pattern around in each loop. Cut and weave in ends once complete. You can sew or glue on a gem or button to the center. And that's how I make my puff flowers.